everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Just a really quick video to remind everybody that love Stampin' Up as much as I do that the brand new catalogue goes live tomorrow. That's Wednesday the 3rd of June in the UK. Customer facing site will be available probably in the wee hours of the morning. I will be placing my order after work when the craziness has died down. You will see some different things if you're using the new customer facing website. It's fully launched now, so it may well look different. You may well need to re-log in with your password. If you've forgotten your password, you can do the resend my password. You can redo it and you can re-log in that way, or just start a brand new account. Just make sure that if you are choosing to shop with me, that you make sure when you are ordering that you can see my name. It's normally located in the top right hand corner when you're ordering, and when you're on my shop website, make sure you can see my name. That way you can be sure that you are shopping with me and not just direct with Stampin' Up. And also I have shared a hostess code. It's on my blog, it's on my shop front, and it's on my Facebook page. If you are ordering and it's under £150, always use the hostess code. That way I can shop for some freebies and send you some goodies at month end. If your order is over £150, don't use it, because you'll get your own stamping rewards which you get to spend there and then on the website on free goodies. All right. Anybody has any questions, needs to ask anything, isn't sure about anything, just send me a private message. I am working tomorrow, but I will be able to check in on my messenger on Facebook and on my emails on my break times, and I will respond if anybody needs any help. Alright, just thought I'd do just a couple of things that I've been making with this small amount of new product that I managed to get my hands on in the pre-order. I'm going to be doing my order tomorrow. I'm going to be buying heaps and heaps and heaps of stuff so that I can come and do lots and lots of demonstrations over the next 12 months to keep you all inspired and share the lovely new products with you. So make sure you go and have a look on the store. If you've shopped with me in the last 4 months, you will receive a catalogue in the mail. I have mailed them, but the mailing service is a little bit slow because of the whole, COVID thingy. But I did post them first class, so hopefully, fingers crossed, you will have either already got them or you'll get them tomorrow. And they were posted at the back end of last week, so you should be getting, they should be starting to arrive. As I say, if you need any help, just ask. I'm always around. And if you would like to join Stampin' Up, you've got any questions relating to that and joining my team, just send me a message. I'm always here to help. It's not a problem. Just shoot me a message. We can chat by email, or I can give you a call, whatever you like, and I can give you any information about anything you desire. The main benefit is obviously discount shopping, getting those goodies at an awesome discount, and getting the sneak peeks and the exclusive Stampin' Up products that are demonstrator only, etc, etc, and being part of a fantastic community of very, very supportive people. The girls that are in my team, and they are all girls at the moment, we don't have any chaps just at the moment, are the most wonderful, supportive ladies that I've ever had the pleasure to meet. They are amazing, and they are every single one of them is completely what Stampin' Up is all about. Kind, thoughtful, helpful, friendly, just inspirational. So there you go. But yes, so tomorrow you'll be able to download a PDF, and there will be a link at some point during the day tomorrow. There will be a link on my blog if you want me to send you the PDF, downloadable PDF, so you can have a look. then just ask me. Otherwise, you can go on my shop, which is scrimpingmommy.stampinup.net, and there will be a link in the description box below this video. I think you're going to love it. There's some lovely, lovely stuff. Fresh, bright, cheerful and fun. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.